Nothing beats coming home to a puppy this excited to see you. The moment they opened the box, their day became unforgettable. Just look at their faces when two adorable puppies came running toward them. They opened the box expecting a present and found the cutest surprise ever. Grandpa thought it was just a gift, but inside was his new best friend. Which puppy moment deserves the top spot? Let us know in the comments. Which one was your number one? Comment your favorite. Would you want a puppy like this?